unpacking the phrase, monkey on your back. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very intriguing expression, monkey on your back. Have you ever heard someone use it and wondered what it really means? Well, you're in luck because that's exactly what we're going to unravel in today's video. So, let's get started and uncover the layers behind this peculiar phrase. The phrase, monkey on your back, is a metaphorical expression used in the English language to describe a problem, burden, or addiction that someone finds difficult to get rid of. Unlike the literal image it evokes, there's no actual monkey involved. Instead, think of it as an invisible weight or issue that's constantly on someone's shoulders, affecting their life negatively. It's often used in contexts relating to personal struggles, such as addiction to drugs or alcohol, but can also refer to any persistent problem that's hard to shake off. Delving into the origin of monkey on your back takes us back to the mid-20th century. While its exact origins are a bit murky, it's widely believed that the phrase first gained popularity in the context of drug addiction, particularly heroin. The monkey symbolized the addiction itself, highlighting how difficult it was for addicts to escape their dependency. Over time, the usage of the phrase expanded beyond drug addiction to encompass any kind of ongoing personal dilemma or responsibility that feels like a burden. To better understand how to use monkey on your back in conversation, let's look at a few examples. Ever since he lost his job, he's had the monkey on his back of finding a new one. She finally got the monkey off her back by paying off her student loans. Dealing with his constant procrastination is like having a monkey on my back. Notice how the phrase can be adjusted slightly depending on the context and whether the issue is ongoing or has been resolved. It's important to use this phrase carefully, as it deals with sensitive topics like addiction and personal problems. When using monkey on your back, ensure that the context is appropriate and that it won't unintentionally offend or belittle someone's experience. It's most suitably used in informal conversations or in literary contexts to convey the weight of personal struggles metaphorically. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning, origins, and usage of the phrase, monkey on your back. We hope this exploration has shed some light on this unique expression and added a new layer to your understanding of the English language. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about the stories and histories behind these phrases that enrich our communication. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep learning and stay curious.